Hi guys, welcome to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie, and if you're new here, thank you so much for watching. So I am so excited. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a mystery box from a brand that I've been wanting to try for such a long time, and I am talking about Oden's Eye. I have been wanting to try this brand for such a long time because all their products just look absolutely amazing, and I already opened it. I really could not help it, and let's just get started because I have so much to say about this brand. This is the inside of the box, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it just says Oden's Eye right there. It brings a little note, and the back just says Oden's Eye, and inside is a little letter, which is so cute. Let me dim my lights a little bit. I am forever struggling with these lights, but anyways, if you guys want to pause and read everything that it says here. Okay, so since I got the biggest box, I got a lot of things, and I'm so happy because I feel like they perfectly put all the things that I need to try the brand. Okay, so the first thing that I saw, and I was literally so excited to get because this is one of the things that I saw on their website that I really wanted, and it's the least thing that you probably would expect for me to say, but it is this beautiful duo mirror, and the detail of this brand is just so beautiful. I don't think you guys can see it, but here there's like a bunch of little, like their logo right there, you can see it. So it's just like a double mirror. Yeah, I'm so excited because I don't have anything like this. Okay, so the next two things that I got are these two amazingly looking brushes. So the big one is more of a face brush, so I'm guessing this is for more of like blush or bronzer or something like that. This one I'm not too sure. And then this is like the mini version of that, which is so funny. So this one I think is just for like the crease area, and then the other side is more for a detailed and packing on the crease also, or on the lower lash line. Okay, so we're getting into the palettes now. This is their Fruit Blusher Blush. If you guys don't know, I am obsessed with Fairies, so this brand is just, honestly, after seeing all of these things, this is like my dream collab brand because just look, even the pressed, it's just a little fairy on it, and this one is called Ripe Papaya, which is so cute. Okay, so this is one of their eyeshadow palettes. They sent me their AlvaⅡ Mini Sky Palette, but look how beautiful everything is. Just the whole detail of the packaging is absolutely amazing. I don't understand how more people don't talk about this because this packaging is way better than most of the main brands out there, so you guys should definitely look into it. Also, forgot to mention in the blush, the little paper that comes with it, it's actually taped to the top, so I really appreciate that being taped because every time I get a palette, it just like flies on the floor, whatever. It's not like I was gonna use it for anything, but it's still nice for it to be like, you know, I'm just a very detail-oriented person, so I notice all of those little things. This is the Mini Sky Palette. This is perfect for the fall or even summer. And this is the second eyeshadow palette that I got. This is the AlvaⅡ Mini Forest Palette, which, if you guys know, I am an earth fairy. I am a Virgo, so I am very in tune with the earth, and anything earthy I am obsessed with. Look at that detail. It's so beautiful. It's like a very foresty but pops of blue and everything, and this is like a fun summery palette in my opinion. I am probably going to use both of them, a little bit of both in this video, so I can test out the formula and combine some of the pretty colors that it has. Okay, so for the last palette that I got, this is their, I can't pronounce that, Solmåne? I have no idea, I'm so sorry. This is their highlighter palette, and I just, again, with the packaging, hello, this is beautiful. I am so in love with it. It's like zodiac vibes, and I am all about that. And that's only the outer packaging. The inside packaging, it's the same thing, but I don't know if you guys can tell the texture. It's like kind of like rough. It's not like your smooth typical palette, and I think that adds such a cool vibe to it. And this is the back of it. Very pretty. Unfortunately, one of them came broken, but it's totally fine. I did swatch the broken one, and it's so magical, like fairy dust. Okay, so the last thing that I got is a lipstick. I'm so happy. So this is how the box looks like. Very beautiful. And this is the actual lipstick. So cute. On the top here it says Oden's Eye, and on the bottom it's just like a detail with the O logo on it. And when I thought it couldn't get any more beautiful, on the actual tube where the lipstick comes out, there is it's just like this beautiful print of like butterflies and flowers. I really hope you guys can see it. And then I opened it and look how absolutely beautiful this color is. And this shade is called Light Peach. They are very good at packing these mystery boxes. It's probably the best mystery box I've ever gotten in variation. I only paid like 60 or 65, 66 I think for all of this. So I am beyond happy. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow look. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna speed that up and I will come back and let you guys know once I'm done. Okay, so quick pause. I actually just went ahead and I actually took out everything that I put on because I wanted to try it on with glitter glue, and it looks so pretty and it got so much more pigmented and it's so sparkly, but it's like fine glitters. Yeah, that's why it might look a little bit different from the last clip that I just showed you. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue. Okay, so I just finished with the eyes and oh my god, I actually really like the matte shades, and I know they have like a slight shimmer to them, but I've never been afraid of mixing them into my crease or anything, and I feel like it gave it a perfect little sparkle. I always post my close-ups of my eyes on my Instagram, so definitely check me out there just in case you can't really see them right now. I'm really shocked of how good the eyeshadow palettes were. I mean, I kind of felt like they were gonna be amazing, but they're amazing. Okay, so the next thing that I really want to try out is the blush. So I feel like this color matches me perfectly, so thank god I got this one. And I'm gonna use the fluffy side of their brush. Okay, so a little bit goes a long way. I know that the lights kind of take out like the intensity of the color, but trust me, I put it on and it was super intense. Okay, so I completely forgot to finish my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara, put some lashes, and I'll be right back. I really like how it looks. I hope you guys can see it. If not, like I said, I'm gonna post a close-up on my Instagram, so be sure to check me out there. But it is so pretty. It like the front part looks kind of like purpley, like iridescent, and it blends so well with the other colors. I'm so in love. Okay, so let's move on to the highlight. I'm gonna take this beautiful palette. Okay, so honestly I kind of want to go with the Broken shade because it has like a beautiful purple shift to it, this one right here. So I'm just gonna apply that, and I'm just gonna use the AlvaⅡ blending brush because I love how that applies highlighter as well. Oh my god, that is so shiny. I love it so much. This is exactly the color I wanted to use. I think the name is imprinted on the actual powder and I do not know how to pronounce that. It's stjärna. I can't pronounce it. No, I'm not gonna do that. Just know that it's the top on the right. Okay, I'm really sad to say, but we are on the last product and I have had so much fun doing this look that I really don't want it to end. But I'm also really excited to try out this lipstick. So this one, like I said, it is called Light Peach. My god, I am obsessed with everything. Like, you guys have no idea. This is like my dream collab brand. They are everything that I like. Magic, Fairies, Enchanted Forest. I am 100% going to buy more products from them. I really liked everything. You're not only getting like a pretty face, you know, you're actually getting quality product. I am obsessed. Oden's Eye, if you're watching this, you guys are amazing. This brand is so beautiful. Keep up the good work. It's awesome, honestly. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment because that helps out so much with the algorithm for my little channel. So please, if you could do that for me, it could be literally anything. Leave me your favorite emoji, or leave me a fairy emoji with the little glitters. Those are like my 2 favorite emojis, so leave me that. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll catch you on the next one.